How to replace the key fob battery on a Ford Focus 2012 to 2014. This is how you replace the battery. Now this one's a little interesting because it looks like you should be pulling it apart there, but no. Two little tabs here. Watch this. When I push on here, see how that little label just goes up, just the little cover goes up a little bit, and then just pull it out. And then we have to take our flathead screwdriver and you just give it a little push to the end, and you watch this. See, then that'll come, just separates a little bit. You can take it apart with your fingers. And there's our little button battery in there. And then you have to take your flathead. Just give it a little tiny, there we go. And there we have a CR 2032 Duracell. Now when you put it back in, it's got a little plus there. So we'll just put the button in, the plus side down. And if you got to get this right in there flush, because then the cover won't go back on. So now there we are, in flush. Just line up to the pieces and just clip it back together again. And then we put our little cover back on, clip it in. So there it is. How to change the key fob battery on a Ford Focus 2012 to 2014. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.